We got to take a lot of stuff down to our Georgia property where we're going to start homesteading that, guys. So we got the camper van loaded up. Look what they got on the back of that. Oh yeah, 18 feet of crap from out our yard. So not only are we taking the camper van and the trailer, we have to take the truck and our camper. So we got all our stuff from the outside over here. We pretty much got rid of everything on the inside of the house. We sold a lot of stuff, gave some stuff away. That's where we are. Cap Ken, it's gonna be a long trip, so y'all ready? Let's ride. Ready?
I'm ready. You ready, Kissy? You ready to go?
All right, we done made our first stop. Come back here, Kizzy. She had to use the bathroom. Both of the ladies had to use the bathroom. I'm the guy that always got to go to the bathroom, but so let's go see what's going on with Mama. She just sitting in the car. I don't know what she's doing. My tarp didn't hold up too good. It got ripped to pieces. That's what you get when you buy stuff from Harbor Freight. I don't know why these places just can't make good quality stuff. Thought you had to go to the bathroom. Wife, you need a nap, guys.
I need a nap.
We can pull up some more and let me see what it looks like down here. Alrighty, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. We probably got like an hour and a half nap. It's kind of hard to sleep right here beside the highway. All you hear is cars going up and down, cars going up and down. It's too much, so we're gonna go ahead and get down the road a little bit more. Let me go ahead and do my P's and Q's, make sure everything's still good to go. We're gonna hit the road. Cap Ken. Oh my God, guys. We literally had maybe 1 mile left in the tank. We just happened to find a gas station open. Oh my God, I pushed that too far. This thing is not good on gas mileage when you're towing something. Look at that. Thank you, Donald. We really appreciate it. 3:30, 4 o'clock, we finally made it. And that was a drive. It seems like every time you tow something, everything seems a whole lot longer. Because now you're paying more attention to what's going on. This damn Harbor Freight tarp did not last for a second. I mean, within 5 minutes of getting on the road, it started ripping up like this already. Just build good quality stuff, people. What's the problem? It is amazing what time does. Just sitting here and this thing just getting all dirty from the pollen and everything else. Ain't been open in a while. Damn dog scared the hell out of me. What you chasing there? Lights on? Oh yeah, light is on, duh. Alrighty. So here's our little bag that collects all the condensation, no, what you call it, moisture in the air. I think we got a few of these hanging around. Alright, let's go see, get the wifey up, get her plugged up for work. I gotta get myself set up for work also. So. Alright, baby, we gotta get set up. You know it takes you forever. She's being lazy, guys.
3 more minutes.
No more minutes. No more minutes for you. Here it is. Van life, RV life, homesteading. Thing about the homesteading, we don't even know if we want to even keep the house now. We might just tear this all down because we don't need a 4,800 square feet home for 2 people. That's just stupid, guys. We're past that point in our lives now where we need a big ass home for no reason. So we're downsizing, or we did downsize. but the stuff that goes along with it. I'm out of water. All the water is gone. My wife used up all the water. And now, how we have to fill it is on our property. So, and this is our pump house. So let me show you our pump house. This is something I know very little about. I'm just now learning it, trying to see how everything works. So now, I have to turn on the pump. It fills up this tank. So I was trying to take a shower, and I noticed we ain't had no water. And then I put out the hose to go pump that, fill up the tank on the van, and that's out of water. Come over here, that thing's completely empty. I'm like, oh my God. And it's empty because I washed the RV this morning. That guy, I scrubbed it down, and I washed the van. Keep it clean. Nothing worse than I see somebody riding around with a dirty ass RV and van. Come on, people. That says a lot about you when your vehicle is dirty. Homesteading is something new for us. RV life and van life is not new to us, but you still have to adjust to anything that throws, any kind of obstacle. You got to be able to work your way around. Anything that's thrown at you, you got to be able to catch it and run with it. Don't just catch it, run with it. We got our container coming. We don't know where to put it at. I wanted to put it in the woods, but then we decided we want to put it over there somewhere. And then we got 3 locations we can put it. Getting ready to go cut down some trees in the woods. We got a lot of stuff loaded in this shed here. We took everything off our trailer. Well, almost everything. Put a lot of our outside stuff up under this little carport. So now we got to cut some trees away. So we have a 40-foot container coming in that's going to store everything that's in here, all my tools, all my lawn equipment. So I need some way to put that stuff in, lock it down, don't have to worry about it. You going with me, Kizzy? All right, let's roll. Wifey about to spray for her bugs.
Got my bonnet on. I'm spraying for bugs. I'm ready.
They love her.
Yes, they do.
But yeah, look how dirty this thing is from the pollen and everything. So I'm going to get her shined up after I cut these branches down. So enough talking to y'all. Me and Kizzy going to work. Wifey going to work.
Right.
Homesteading. We have about an acre that's unwooded. That's where the house has been built at. And then the other 5-something acres is all wooded. I don't know what I think about. Oh, no. I can cut down some trees. I'm gonna really cut down 5 acres of trees. Come on, man. So, but anyway, what we're gonna do down our little path here, this is wide enough to put a container on it. So I'm gonna clear away all these overhanging limbs, and we're gonna push this container all the way back up in the woods. Kizzy, where you at? Kizzy? God damn it, spider webs are getting me. My goggles on. But yeah, we're gonna try to push this all the way back here. And as you can see, right through the woods there is where the house and stuff is. So if we can get this pushed all the way back here, then I can, once I get my excavator, we can clear out some of these trees, make it a much easier path to get to. So when I came down from Charlotte, I completely forgot all my tools. No power tools at all, no electric saws. I like electric stuff, with battery operated. Didn't bring anything. That's what my dumb ass get. But anyway, let's work. Alrighty, I think we're done, guys. We cleared out all this area, all the way down there. Probably about 200 feet worth of clearance. We're done with this for today. We got a couple other projects we need to go tackle. This is done. So our container can go all the way down there. Once you get that sitting in there, hold your hand up in there. There you go. So you have to pay attention to what the wood is doing, because if it's going to put weight down on what you're trying to cut, you ain't going to be able to cut it. So you see how it's leaning, so it's not going to cut easily. There you go. All freed up for it. All right, there you go.
There you go. Good boy. Good job. Good job.
I'll try to clean it up, man. 10 years earlier, it'd been a whole lot easier. 20 is even better. Just trying to clear out this area a little bit. Thinking you'll be able to get the storage container to slide down here. I don't believe you can, but we're gonna try to cut this tree out of the way and hopefully he can get it in there. So what we gotta try to do is get a 40-foot container, fit in this spot right here. Here he come. Come on, Kizzy. Perfectly straight. Where you think he can get it? Hey. Kizzy, come. Oh, that'd be nice. Oh yeah. He got that thing right there. Okay. Yeah, I can work with that. Oh, definitely. Oh, okay.
And if you ever have to need to move, just let me know.
Okay, perfect. Appreciate that, man. All right, let's go check this house before we start doing some yard work. So this right here is the front. Over there is where we'll have our double French doors. It's a little patio there. Then here, this way we have our garage. I'm just gonna go through the window right here. Ugh. Can you get in? Can you make it? Got vines growing up through the root cracks. Whew. Couple years, boy. This was a couple years to get you. So we need to spray all this down. Look at this. So you walk in, this is the garage, this big old area. So 2 full cars over there, and there's more of like motorcycles or something. But that'll just be my little work area if we decide to keep building. You come in, you go to the right. You got a half bath there. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I think that's the half bath. Then you have a laundry room with a window. And then you have a pantry right here. Then this is the living room area, living room and kitchen. So over here is where the kitchen would be at. So that's the pipe starting here. So from here, from that pipe on over would be the kitchen area. So it'd just be an open room concept. Large window there, large window there, fireplace, window. Come around, this is the dining room, or living room, whatever you want to call it. We don't use dining rooms. Got a couple windows off this, and we think we're going to just pull this down before we put a large sliding door. But that leads to the back with the patio. Oh boy. And this is where the front entrance is. You have a coat closet. This would be the stairs to the second floor. Then you got a master bedroom here. 2 bedrooms over here. With a Jack and Jill bathroom. So that's the tub and toilet. That's the sinks. There's the other room that connects to it. With a closet. And all this foundation is cracking. So this might not be good no more. Closet, nice size closet. Then you got a nice big bathroom and Harris bathroom with a private shitter over there, and then the door from the bedroom goes out onto the patio, and then you can go back to the other room there. But yeah, everything we want to just put sliding doors all the way across. Maybe. More money, more money. Last time we came, some kids was in here spray painted this stuff, so luckily they ain't did nothing else. So, and it's nobody, I mean, it's acres among acres, so somebody came all the way over here just to do that. But anyway, it's time to work, guys. We gotta work to get this grass cut. Front entrance. All these trees need trimming, and property goes all the way that way, down that way.